Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to Lights Up, Lights Down. You've got me today because Chris is on holiday. I was on holiday last week and he's got this week off. We do sometimes take holiday, even though we're always very busy. We've got lots still going on in the car park. All the breakers at the back there, Supra there, and work in progress. We've got a load of VWs in for some reason. They're not actually customer cars, they're to do with members of staff. We've got some bits that have been removed from breakers, just cleaned, ready to take photos to go on the website. Some parts that have come back from the paint shop. Wing there, that's waiting to go on a Mark II out there. A bonnet in Montego blue, that's waiting to be collected. The Supra's back on the ground. Speedster's back on the ground. I'm waiting to go to paint after I did the seal repairs and a few other little bits and bobs. Let's go and see what Roy's doing. Roy! What are you doing? You're not drinking coffee, Roy. It's unusual.
Thanks, Jay. It's because you surprised me this time.
And I haven't made you any.
No,
that's the real reason.
That's very true, yeah. Box man slacking.
Yeah. So got a breaker, another breaker, second one of the week, isn't it?
Yeah, second one of the week.
Yeah.
Just got the engine out, the box out, split them apart, took all the anti-res off. There's not really a lot to take off this one, to be fair. Just, power steering system, take that off. So all the electronics we'll take out. Any of the suspension arms we'll take off if they're any good.
Yeah, we do have the issue we have is that, let me just turn the camera around. The issue we have is when cars come in to be repaired, there is the odd time when a customer decides they don't want to go ahead with the work, it needs more rust than expected, and they've decided they don't want to continue with the car. So we end up with pretty much unwanted breakers really, and they build up from time to time, and before we know it we've got 12 of them, and we have to just try and find time within our busy schedule to get rid of them, otherwise we end up cluttering up the place. So we don't always remove everything from them, we remove the bits that we know we're going to get rid of, and then we get rid of the car. I mean, it's one of those sort of catch-22 situations. I'd rather not have any breakers here at all, but at the same time we quite often need parts for customer cars or projects from those breakers to get the work done, so it's kind of one of those necessary evils. So yeah, so we're trying to get rid of some this week. Roy's doing a great job, and yeah, we'll get rid of this one, and I think you might even be able to get rid of another one that hasn't got many bits left on it, might you?
Strange driver.
Well, if you can get that done by the end of the day, that'd be great. What's the time now? It's 2:30 now, so you've got 2.5 hours. Yeah, you should be able to get at least 2 done.
I'll get the unicorns to pictures out.
Right, okay, so we've got this car in. I've just realised I've forgotten to cover the number plates up. I'm sure the owner of this car won't mind. It's this is a car we did a lot of work on, I think 2 or 3 years ago. It's had a full repaint, all new rear seals and arches, I think wings, various other bits and bobs. But it is, man, notice on the number plate, it is actually an original BBR, and a very nice one at that. I think that's one of our roofs as well. That's one of our roofs on there, so that's what one of our roofs looks like after a few years. I think it was it 2 years ago we did this? 'Cause we weren't in this unit, were we? We were in the old unit.
2 years.
Did you? Yeah, so it's two years ago we did this one. Yeah, really nice cars. We didn't supply the seat covers, but we did fit them, and we also put heated seat, so it's got heated seat elements in there as well. I'm trying to think of other stuff we did. There's loads on it. Those seal plates are new, provided by the customer. So yeah, lots of work on that one. And it's back. What's it back for, Ash?
It's in for a full service, MOT, which failed on the brake pipe, so just making the brake pipe,
yeah.
And it's just a couple of other little bits.
It's kind of odds and sods, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's not that happy with the suspension that's on it. He finds it too hard with the suspension that was either already on the car or it's been fitted since. So we're going over to something else. And we're going to do anti-roll bars. Yeah, just oh no, we're not doing the anti-roll bars, are we? Because you can't fit them. We've got a torch there actually. The torch will show you a problem with the original BBRs and where the intercooler is. There is an issue where, let's try and get that round a bit, where the anti-roll bar actually hits the intercooler. So obviously a large, fatter one would make that situation even worse. You can already see there's some foam been put on that one to try and stop it knocking. So that's kind of the issue you get with these ones. So we won't be fitting that operating engine roll bars because it won't fit. Right, let's go over and see what Jim's doing, because Ollie's ran away, I think. Ollie's run away because I'm told that last week... Why have you run away, Ollie? Is that because nothing's happened on your car?
No progress.
I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but he's just said no progress has been made. You're putting a VVT in it, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
One down there, that lovely...
That one that's on the floor down there that arrived Tuesday. So that's going in it, along with ECU and everything else. So that will be that's a really nice upgrade on the Mark 1. He's putting in the later VVT engine. Even if you don't turbo it or anything, it's just a nice upgrade. And I don't know if Chris mentioned this, forgive me if he did, but that is a little known product we do. I don't know if you can see that on the camera very well, but that is one of our canards. They're on my car as well. Ollie hasn't put the rubber trims on though, which is why they look a bit gappy. But yeah, it just kind of finishes off the GV lip, so they go on from there and around. It's a product we did years ago, but I've never actually really promoted it. So if anyone's interested in those, I'll put them on the website. We've got a few left, and they'll be available. Okay, Jim, your turn. Go over. So Jim's working on this green Mark 1 that's been standing for a couple of years, and you just got sort of a various list of works, haven't you?
Yeah. Failed the MOT on brakes, so we'll sort them out. Tune your front calipers, should be fine. We've just put boot lid off of one of our breakers on.
Yeah, so the car had a boot lid on it, or had a boot lid with a boot spoiler. The spoiler, the brackets and everything are all kind of corroded away. So he wanted it removed basically, but the holes that are left by that are sort of quite sort of costly to repair. So fortunately we actually had a green boot lid, so that one's gone on there. That's been on the breaker for a while, so it needs a polish, but that'll polish up and match quite well. You're just looking at the aerial now, aren't you? It's got an electric aerial, it's not working.
Yeah, I'm just sorting the electric aerial so it comes down. Don't think he wants a replacement. Down the way and rewire the fog light, because don't use speaker wire for the fog light wire.
Yeah, I guess it's probably the original importers when the car came in, it had a fog light fitted, but had been fitted with or wired in with twin core speaker wire. So we're redoing that, and we're going to position it into the reverse light in the offside cluster and put a red bulb in there. Always looks a bit tidier, so we'll get that done. And it's just various bits and bobs, isn't it?
Yeah, lowering springs and shocks.
Oh yeah, and we've got a front lip spoiler that's in the office to be fitted. Yeah, so that's it really. Okay, so thanks for that, Jim. Yeah, so that's all we've got going on this week. As I say, there's not loads of welding and stuff like that going on. It's nice to have a break from that from time to time. And fortunately, this week's one, and we booked the last 2 weeks. You may have noticed, and perhaps in the other video, which I haven't looked at yet, I've got it to edit. You may have noticed that it was a bit quiet last week as well, but that's quite deliberate. We do book quiet weeks from time to time, just so it gives us a bit of breathing space for projects that overlap, and also with all the holidays in August, it becomes a bit of an issue with catching up if you have a few projects that overrun. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.